Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. I did a previous video on this plant room and I ran out of time, ran out of storage on my phone, so I'm gonna just quickly try and cover the bits I missed. So in this plant room I walked around it and saw a few bits, but what I missed was this easy treat. What's it called? Easy treat. What is it? A trickle treat or what? Easy treat. What it is a max pressure. What is it? Easy treat. I'm not sure what this is, but I'm assuming that it is to sort of dose the system. Have a look it up. It's got a vent on top. Never seen one of these bad boys before. Let's go around this side. Okay, what is it saying? There we go. Nice. It's a dosing pot of some form. Date 2021 installed. Oh, there's another one. I say, another easy treat. Okay, and then these pumps. Looks like it's rotating the right way. I didn't see them. They're Seamans. In the last video, I wasn't able to go deep into them. And then you've got this actuator here, which likes spinning round every now and then. There we go. Oh, lovely. Very fancy. Don't know much about that actuator. If you do, please tell me in the comments below. Fire extinguishers. What else do we have in this plant room? Interesting door. Make sure you don't get locked in the plant rooms. What do we have in here? We've got this pump. Or should I say, look, this seems like a sort of booster set. Oh, that's a noisy pump, isn't it? Sounds like it's on its last leg. Maybe it just needs venting or something. So this is telling me what's happening on the system. I'm not sure if you can see anything. 4 bar, set point, 4 bar, PV, 4 bar, 53%, pump 1, pump 2, pump 3. Okay, that pump doesn't sound very healthy. Probably about to die or vents venting. All right, what else have we got inside this plant room that I missed in the last video? Oh, look at this pump here. That doesn't look good. It's probably been like that for a while, but that looks like that one's changing. This is how it should be. Okay, oh, did I miss something? What is this? Look at this Belimo actuator. This looks nice. What is this all about? Okay. Looks nice. I like the look of that valve. And then we've got another valve here. I've seen this bad boy before. Okay, it's a Aquatic SQX62. Okay. What? You've probably seen this actuator before. Looks like a three-way actuator. And then what am I missing in this plant room? The BMS. Should we have a look inside the BMS panel? Have I got my key on me? Will it open? Yeah, let's have a look inside the panel, see what we can learn. Before I go in there, let me just have a look at these valves. What kind of valves are these? Something I wanted to also ask you is, what kind of material do you think is in this plant room in terms of... I'm awful when it comes to identifying types of pipe material. So what do you think we have here? So this looks like flanged pipe, but it looks like steel. I believe this is still flanged. Could be wrong. Sometimes you may need a magnet in some cases, but you guys... Oh, what's this here? That looks like a form of air and dirt separator underneath there. That's what I'm assuming that is. I can see bird poo or pigeon droppings on the flue going through there. Down, like there was another flue going up. Maybe that's an old flue in the basement. Okay, what else before I go into the control panel do I see here? Watch out for traps. Make sure there are traps. What is going on with this trap here? What is going on with this one? How come there's no... This doesn't look good. We've got a problem here. Let me have a look at the other one. So that goes up there into there. But this one here, this is just open to the atmosphere. It's going in here. Uh-oh, Houston, we have a problem. That is a problem. Let's go around this side. This one has got this on top and it goes up here, but around here gonna have to do something about this, find a cap. Maybe a cap is dropped off inside here, but hopefully there is water in the trap that goes down to there, but this needs to be plugged off for sure. Do recce's of plant rooms and double check stuff. We walk around, touch, feel, look, investigate. Don't take anything for granted. All right, so I'm gonna go into the panel in a moment to see what I spot inside there. Oh, I was also talking about pipes. So what pipes do you see? Obviously we've got copper here, and this looks like, and then there was flanged gas pipe. What other types of material do we have inside the plant room? Any more threaded pipe? Well, we've got the plate to plate here. Another air and dirt separator looks like up there. There's quite a few. Okay, gonna go inside the panel now. What kind of pipe is that up there? What would you say this is? Can you tell what kind of what this is? Interesting how this has gone in. This looks like some form of tapping drain point, like they've cut this into it in order to not drain it down. Don't know what this is, but what kind of pipe do you think this is? I don't know. Is it galvanized? I'm awful with pipe work, so